Hello. What's your name?
George, yeah, Georgie.
Georgie, what brings you out here today?
Having a good time, getting rid of one of the things on my bucket list.
You're gonna throw yourself out of an airplane.
Yep.
Why would you want to do such a thing?
I don't know. It might be like a related to death wish. I have no idea.
Well, I'm strapped to you, so I'll take good care of you. I'll make sure we don't die.
All right, that's good.
Are you excited about it?
I am.
Nervous?
No, actually I'm not.
Not yet?
No, I'll probably cry like a kid when I'm ready to get out of the plane. But
sounds like you're ready. Well, give me 5. Let's go up there.
You all right?
How was that?
Spendy, you all right? I'm worried about you.
I'm good. I'm good.
You got rid of that 6-pack, right?
What was the favorite part?
Taking my first step.
Yeah.
Taking that first one right out.
Yeah.
That was unreal.
Hey,
Great.
thanks for taking me skydiving.
You're welcome.
Yeah.